Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the controller button mapping in LEGO Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight. Let's begin by selecting Options. From here, navigate to Controller, then go down. Here, look for the character. This is the start of the button mapping section. Here you can select a character you wish to, the action you wish to swap. Simply select it. You can reset it to default by selecting this X next to it. Simply after selecting it, input any key, any button you choose. I don't have a controller connected, so I cannot do that, but trust me, it works. And you can change all of those actions to your individual preferred button mapping, I guess. The options are as follows. You can swap character, select primary gadget, select secondary gadget, summon vehicle, dodge drop, interact counter, jump glide, attack, sprint, grapple, aim gadget, detect, use focus, use gadget, map, and pause. In vehicles, there is accelerate, alternative, brake reverse, exit vehicle, boost, rockets, camera view, horn, siren, grapple, detect, swap characters, and respawn. Under gadgets and minigames, there is select previous, accept, select next, cancel, zoom in, zoom out, action 1, action 2. Under drone, there is ascent, descent, cancel, main functions, and upgrade 1 and upgrade 2. As you can see, there are really a lot of things you can change right here, and once you are done, you can close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.